Hello, welcome to my channel, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Most importantly, don't forget to check bell for all notifications. I am here to make announcement that soon I will be sharing inspirational short videos, showing stories that touch everyday life, and most importantly messages that will inspire everyone. The Prophet sent Muhammad to Yemen and said, "Invite the people to testify that none has the right to be worshipped but Allah, and I am Allah's messenger, and if they obey you to do so, then teach them that Allah has enjoined on them 5 prayers in every day and night in 24 hours, and if they obey you to do so, then teach them that Allah has made it obligatory for them to pay the zakat from their property, and it is to be taken from the wealthy among them and given to the poor." A man said to the Prophet, "Tell me of such a deed as will make me enter paradise." The people said, "What is the matter with him? What is the matter with him?" The Prophet said, "He has something to ask. What he needs greatly." The Prophet said, "In order to enter paradise, you should worship Allah and do not ascribe any partners to him, offer prayer perfectly, pay the zakat and keep good